बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की मैं अपने इस वीडियो में आप सब के लिए फर्स्ट ईयर के इंग्लिश न्यू एडिशन यूनिट नंबर 3 जो कि एक पोइम है, अ बर्ड केम डाउन द वॉक, इसके एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लेके आई हूँ। मैंने अपनी पिछली वीडियो में इसके स्टैंजा के एक्सप्लेनेशन रेफरेंस विद कॉन्टेक्स्ट अपलोड किया था, उसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी। आज हम इस पोइम के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे एक्सरसाइज के। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। Solved exercise of the textbook question answers. Question number 1. Identify an example of personification in the poem. How does it enhance your understanding of the bird? Answer. The line ate the fallow raw is an example of personification. The worm is called a fallow, which gives it a human-like feel. This makes the worm seem alive. Question number 2. Discuss the metaphor in the final stanza where the bird's flight is compared to oars divide the ocean. What effect does this comparison create? Answer. The metaphor oars divide the ocean compares the bird's flight to oars moving in water. It creates a feeling of lightness in the bird's flight. Question number 3. Find a smile in the poem and explain its significance in the overall imagery. Answer. The smile they look like frightened bees shows the bird scared. It adds to the poem's picture of fear and alertness. Question number 4. How does Dickinson use visual imagery to describe the bird's actions? Provide examples. Answer. Dickinson uses visual imagery to show the bird's actions. The line bit an angle worm shows its hunting instinct. The phrase drank a dew creates a soft, delicate image. Question number 5. What is the effect of the tactile imagery in the phrase he tried his velvet head? How does it contribute to the tone of the poem? Answer. The word velvet gives a soft and gentle feeling. It adds a light and graceful tone to the poem. The bird's head movement also shows alertness. This creates a balance between softness and caution. Question number 6. How does the mood shift from the beginning to the end of the poem? What words or phrases help create this shift? Answer. Eating a worm and sipping dew show a natural mood. Frightened bees show fear. Road is softer adds a calm tone. So the mood shifts from natural to tense and then to peaceful. Question number 7. What do you think Dickinson is trying to convey about the relationship between humans and nature? Support your answer with evidence from the poem. Answer. The bird represents nature. It stays calm when a human only watches it, but it flies away when the human comes close. Through this, Dickinson shows that nature is free and does not accept human interference. Question number 8. How does the bird's decision to fly away rather than accept the crumb reflect broader themes of freedom and independence? Answer. The bird flies away instead of taking the crumb. This shows that nature is free and self-reliant. It does not accept human interference. Question number 9. How does the poem explore the concept of natural beauty versus natural brutality? Give specific examples from the text. Answer. The poem shows both beauty and brutality in nature. The bird bites a worm in half and eats it raw. This shows nature's cruel side, but when the bird flies softly and gracefully, it shows the beauty of nature. Question number 10. What is the significance of the speaker observing the bird without the bird's knowledge? How does this affect the tone of the poem? Answer. The speaker watches the birds without its knowledge. This shows that nature is free and independent. It makes the tone of the poem quiet and gentle. उम्मीद करते हैं आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन के बटन को ज़रूर दबाइएगा ताकि मेरी नए आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। मेरी अगली वीडियो आने तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।